Yesterday we embarked on an incredible journey, discovering the world of cryptocurrency. Today we dive deeper into the heartbeat of crypto, blockchain. But what makes blockchain so revolutionary exactly? Hello crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another episode of From Zero to Crypto Hero in 30 Days. It's your host Ghost DeFi here to help illuminate this intricate world of blockchain and cryptocurrency. Have you ever wondered why Bitcoin technology stays so secure and transparent? You're about to find out. Let's explore more behind the magic of the blockchain. At its simplest, a blockchain is a series of unchangeable records that are called blocks and that are linked together by a technology called cryptography. Each block contains a cryptographic hash of the last previous transaction, a timestamp, and transaction data. This makes the design of the blockchain inherently secure by design. Let's go straight into the concept. Section 2, the decentralized network. Unlike traditional records kept in one location, the blockchain is decentralized by nature. This means the ledger is duplicated across a network of computers known as nodes. Every node has a full copy of the blockchain, making tampering extremely difficult. When a new block is added, every node updates its blockchain to reflect that transaction. Section 3. How does transactions work exactly? Imagine sending Bitcoin to a friend, and this transaction is then broadcasted to a network of computers, which solves complex mathematical problems to validate that transaction. Once verified, that transaction is combined with others to create a new block, which is then added to the blockchain. This process is known as something called mining, and it ensures that every transaction is secured and irreversible. Section 4. What are the benefits of the blockchain technology? Blockchain technology offers unparalleled security, transparency, and efficiency. Its decentralized nature means no single entity has control, greatly reducing the risk of any fraud. Additionally, every transaction on a blockchain is transparent and traceable, fostering trust among users. Section 5. Blockchain beyond cryptocurrency. While the blockchain is the foundation of cryptocurrency, its potential extends far beyond. From securing medical records, to even streamlining supply chains, to even ensuring the integrity of elections. Blockchain technology is paving forward a new way for a more transparent, efficient, and more secure digital future for us. Blockchain technology is truly revolutionary, offering a new paradigm for digital trust and security. As we delve deeper into the world of cryptocurrency, the understanding of blockchain will be our guiding light. I hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. Stay tuned for tomorrow's episode where we'll explore Bitcoin, the original of cryptocurrency. If you like this content, please don't forget to like, share, and smash the subscribe button to continue your journey from zero to crypto hero. Until next time, keep exploring the blockchain universe. It's your boy, Ghost DeFi, signing out. Thanks, fam.